Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can send money from Western Union. So first of all, you need to download the app either from Play Store or App Store. I've already downloaded the app. Now let's get back to our video. So once the app is downloaded, open the app. So this is the login page of Western Union. Now on the login page, tap on the send money option. So once you tap the option, you can choose the country where you want to send the money by tapping on the upper right corner of your screen. So these are the countries where you can send the money. Choose any country. So once you select the country, all you need to do is type the amount you want to send on the use send box right here. After you have typed the amount, that will be converted automatically, and on the box next to it you can easily see how much the receiver will get. Then tap on the next button, which is on the lowest part of your screen, and afterwards just follow the instructions till the end. So that's how you send money from Western Union. So this much for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.